Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mavi. My name is the Bush Player, and today we're playing 16 seconds. It's a very good game. I like it, and let's try to play it for like. If you want me to turn this to a series, just comment down below. Okay, this game is like this when you know you kind of the atomic bomb is going to blast and you need to gather things. You If you want more information, you can go and search it up. Guys, leave me comments if whatever game you want, with money, without money, free game, paid game, leave me a comment. I'll do it, and I promise. I'm thinking to play Need for Speed Most Wanted, you know only if you guys like this. So you want to gather things. Come here, bro. Come here, bro. That was my. That was my. What? I'm not. The thing is not coming to my mind. Alright, so I need to gather water. I need to gather my pig here, which is my daughter. But I'm not fat, dude. Look at me. I'm too thin. Oh, here's my boy. Here's my boy. Good boy. Now let me take this mask, because I always like these masks. Throw it in here. This one's. Oh, I need soup. Map. Water. Cans of soup. Cans of soup. Whatever. Yes. We did it. We did it. Whatever. Okay. This game is so boring. God damn it. Let's start with a. What the fuck? Okay. Can I change the hats? This is Ted, right? Okay, change the other head. Okay, this looks good. Mary Jane. Oh, we got the. Alright, this notebook here. Oh, good. We got a gun and a radio and this stupid thing here. Alright. So our shelves are full of cans. We eat from cans. We sleep on cans. We even talk to cans. Some of our. What the fuck? Alright, we're not gonna read this. Alright, I'm not giving this guys food and water because apparently they drank when they were outside. So you pigs should stay like this. Alright? Only when we through playing silent game would it be a good idea. The sound wasn't annoying. But damn, we're not reading this, right? Okay. No, I'm not giving you again. I'm telling you. Oh no. We should go for expedition. Okay. We should definitely go for expedition. So Mary Jane, pig, you're going, alright? The pig is going out now. And to make it even worse for her, I'm not giving any water. Because I want the little pig to die. Okay, alright, okay. I'm giving you. You know what? I'm giving you the padlock. You should die. I hate you. You're not my daughter. You're too big. Bruh, I hate you. Yes, go with a padlock outside. I don't need a padlock. And don't come back. Yeah, it's time for. No. You're not drinking. Okay. If you want me to turn this into a series, comment down below. Like, dislike. Why is this radio doing this? Like, I hate this thing. Okay, time to get your soup. Timmy. You're not getting anything, Timmy. Tim? Not getting anything, Tim. Only mommy and daddy need to be selfish. So you, Timmy, don't get anything. Okay. Yes. Wait, Mom, Dad, you're not eating, only Timmy, because I didn't give to Timmy the other day. I hope the pig does. No! The pig returned. Huh. Have you been right? You should go again, I think. Cannot soup. Yeah, you're useless. You're a useless kid. Okay. Everyone, time to drink water. And food. Timmy, not you, bro. Only Timmy today. No one else. Okay, an expedition. Right now, Mary Jane should go. Mary Jane is going again. Mary a pig. Pig, you should die, pig. Okay, giving it again. I think really, Timmy, what happened to you, bro? I shouldn't got you in the bunker, dude. You're so annoying. You always get sick. Damn it. Okay. What should I do? Soup. Nah, I'm not giving. Timmy, you should die, bro. No, I should open the radio. God damn it. Fuck. Damn it. If you want me guys to play Minecraft, you should comment down below. It's the real Minecraft. Yeah, drink food and water now. What? Corner still standing when we're about to heard it glowing in the dark. No, you should get the. I'm not wasting any bullets. Did you ask it anything? Okay. My girl, you should not return. Timmy is doing fine. Timmy is doing fine. Timmy is doing fine. What the fuck? Timmy, you should die, Timmy. And you pig. Yes, you should die, bro. No food and water today. Yeah, play some cards without food and water. Oh, what's up, pig? What's up, pig? What's up, pigs? What's up, pigs? Pigs. You know what? Timmy, you should guess, bro. You're my bro. Timmy, only Timmy's getting food. Only Timmy. Hear me? Doorless? Nah. You're dying with your fucking whatever. Fucking husband. We got water. What? We got too much food and water? Nah, Doorless, you're going again. You're dying. I want everyone to die. What? Are you not going? Stupid bitch. No food and water today. Soup. No, it's a cat. Is a dog or a cat? I don't know. Oh no, it's whatever. This game doesn't look so addicting or like, but it's worth a shot, dude. It's cool when the challenges are so cool. Timmy, bro, you're going outside then. No fucking but, right? You're going outside. Aw, look at Doorless. He's going to die. Go fucking die, bitch. Alright. Water. Yay, time to give water. Doorless, I'm not quitting anything for you. What is it? Wait. Let me hear. Okay, it's saying that the government... What the hell happened to Doorless? She's a skeleton now. Okay, whatever. She always been a skeleton. Cat has gone crazy. Okay. I see. Timmy, are you returning? Okay, it will say that the government is going to help us. That the pinging, I know what it means, you know? Ted, I don't fucking care about you, bro. You're gonna get your food and water, whatever. Sooner, no but, bro. No but. Soon, you're dying. Soon, you're going to die. Soon, you're going to fucking die, dude. Like your wife over there, you know? Look at her skeleton, you know, on the... You see that? Okay, cool, you see that, because now you're dying like her, bitch. I want you to die. I want you to die, 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 die. I'm not giving anything. I'm not fucking giving anything. Anything. You should die. Shut up, you dog. Where's the dog? I'm gonna give everything to the dog. Handbooks, card, whatever. Get your food and water, idiots. Okay, apparently it's going good. How did you not die, bro? Oh my god, damn it. I quit. Okay, guys, this was it for today. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure to leave a comment down below. Like, subscribe, dislike, don't subscribe, unsubscribe. Whatever you want. If you want to share, if you don't want to share, share it to Facebook, whatever. But I just want to say something. See you next video. And, yeah, don't forget to close your door and your window. Goodbye.